So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the color of the navigation bar. If you look at this navigation bar closely, you'll find that the navigation bar is not actually white. It's gray. It's a very light gray color, and I want the navigation bar to be white. To do this, we can quickly use a bootstrap class here. Remember here, instead of bg light, you can see bg white, and this is gonna whiten the navigation bar quickly. As you can see, the navigation bar is now white. Now it's white. And what I'm gonna do next is that I'm gonna add here a shadow to the navigation bar so that we can recognize the navigation bar from the page itself when scrolling. And also it's gonna give a better look, and it's gonna give the website a great look when we add this. So let me add this shadow. So to add this shadow, we can here say, first let me show you the navigation bar. This is the navigation bar. So the navigation bar has a class called Navbar. So we can use this navbar here in CSS. We can say .navbar. We actually have already, remember, if you scroll up, you'll find that we already have this navigation bar right here. We have this navbar. So we can add the code here. So for this navigation bar, we can add box shadow. This is going to add a shadow to the navigation bar. So the shadow is going to be from top, it's going to be 0, and from bottom I'm going to say 5px and 10px. 5 and 10 px. So this is for the x-axis, it's going to be 0, so right and left. For y-axis, which is the top, which is the bottom, it's going to be 5, and for the z-axis, it's going to be 10. And the color for the shadow is going to be this color, RGBA. So the color that I'm going to be using is a gray color, 0, 0, 0, and 0.1. So this is a very dark gray. It's close to black actually. Let me save and show you what's gonna look like. So as you can see now, there is here a shadow. As you can see, there is a shadow. There is a shadow. You can see the difference now. You can distinguish between the borders of the navigation bar and the page itself. So it's clear that the navigation bar, the borders of the navigation bar are these, and the page is kind of behind the navigation bar. So this now looks outstanding.